Welcome to Health Hacks 101, the ultimate guide to all the tips and tricks you need to know about staying healthy. In this video, we will cover a range of topics from diet and exercise, to mental and emotional well-being. Get ready to unlock the secrets of a healthier lifestyle. One of the most crucial aspects of maintaining good health is a proper diet. In this scene, we will delve into the importance of choosing nutritious foods and creating a balanced meal plan. Discover the key nutrients your body needs, and learn how to make healthier food choices for a happier and more energized you. Regular exercise plays a vital role in keeping our bodies strong and fit. Join us as we explore different types of workouts and share effective fitness tips. Whether you prefer high-intensity training or gentle yoga sessions, this scene will provide valuable insights to help you incorporate exercise into your daily routine. A healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. In this scene, we will discuss strategies for improving mental and emotional well-being. From relaxation techniques to stress management, discover how to create a peaceful and balanced state of mind to enhance overall wellness. Adequate sleep and rest are essential for optimal health and well-being. Join us in this scene as we uncover the secrets to getting a good night's sleep and the benefits it provides. Learn practical tips to improve the quality and duration of your sleep, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding the fundamental health hacks. Remember, making small changes can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. By implementing these tips and tricks, you are taking a proactive approach towards a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more health-related content and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.